Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video it's about white correction. So let's start the program.
Let's change the background color, shall we?
Here let's load different background, caramel this time, and change the theme to light. Maybe ocean is better. Yeah.
The background of the editor is ready. Let's load some textures.
Now let's load some of the wallpapers. Maybe this one.
Let's enlarge the texture. It is more visible.
And resize it. And then apply the filter white correction.
A few moments later.
And just the change is almost not visible on this wallpaper. Maybe a darker one should help. Let's say this one.
She is one of us. Yes, let's see the effect.
The next day.
I think it's warm correction, not white correction, but it's just some of the colors that are lighter, it just become more warm, more soft. Let's apply again. And just make a little corrections on the colors. Let's see what gonna happen here. It's more visible here on the clouds.
Let's the code explain begin.
So let's see the code. Over here in apply function, it just I forget to change white correction for the profiler, and this is not needed. So here zoom for RGB colors, RGB channels, and in the loops for width and height, here just getting the sum of each pixel data, and each time getting the average of the sum divided by the width and height. Maybe the mistake or the effect is not visible because it should be in a separate loop, and when getting all the sum, then getting the average, and then in another for loops for width and height getting the gain RGB, but the effect is not visible at all when I separate the loops. So if you have some idea why this is happening, let me know in the comments below. And based on that average values and gain for average gray in this case, and clumping the values between 0 and 255, you get the effect of white correction, and then passing them into profiler for how much time it takes to calculate the pixels, and here the export function with the effect on the images. It's pretty simple, nothing unusual or a lot of calculations, just average sum of gray and the sum of the RGB data.
Let's the code explain end.
That's all for this video. If you have some suggestions, let me know in the comments below.
Arigato. Until next time.